Hey everybody, let's go ahead and set up some honeybee nuc boxes. A while back I decided to do an experiment and see how much honey the bees could produce if they were either a nuc box or whether they were the bees you get in the mail and you add to a bee box. Of course, the nucs have 5 frames usually that they've already built up, and whenever you add bees to a box, then the bees have to build everything from scratch. So of course theoretically the nucs should do a lot better. But anyway, I also got the male bees a lot sooner, so they had an extra month. But anyway, one beehive is set up. It's been set up for a month, and then I've got 3 other spots here. I'm going to put nuc boxes there. It was going to be 2 and 2, but now I'm going to have 3 nuc boxes and 1 bee addition box. Well everybody, I set up the 3 nuc boxes, so now I'm going to set up some feeders. It's a little bit cool out here this year, 2019. A cold front came through, and it looks like the next 10 days there's going to be a lot of dreary weather. The bees won't want to get out, and so they'll need something to eat while they're sitting there in the hive, since they can't forage. So I'm going to set those up right now, and as you can see, here's the 4 hives. Well, I'm all done now. I set the hives out here. I set the feeders out there since it's so cold and everything, and the bees will have easy access to the food. All we can do now is wait, so that's what I'm going to do. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.